Hi, it is the Global Online Math Tutor. I just want to remind you that if you need help with math or statistics, you can contact me. My email is in the description below. So now today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the difference between sample versus population. Now, if you're taking a course in statistics, or if you're in Ontario, for example, you might have taken data management. Data management is the same as statistics. You'll be coming across the idea of designing a survey. You're going to be probably designing a survey or doing designing a survey, for example, right? And you may come across the term sample and population. A lot of students get confused between the two concepts. So I want you in this video want to clarify this up for you so you can okay. So think population. Think of population as all the things that you are interested in your study. So suppose you are an investigator and you were interested in knowing, you're interested in knowing let's say the typical income of a Canadian, right? So in this case, your population would be all the Canadians, right? That would be your population. So population is all the things that you're interested in. And the things don't have to be necessarily people. They can be, animals, it can be rocks. I mean, it doesn't have to be necessarily people, right? But that's the idea of population. So in this example, population would be, if I'm going to want to know the typical income of a Canadian, the population would be all Canadians. Now think about it. You're an investigator. You're going to have to think about it. Can you really sample, go ask every Canadian of what their income is because you want to know what is their typical income, right? Of course not. It's not possible. One of setting aside, setting aside the confidentiality part of it. Just imagine going to every single Canadian. It's just not possible. First of all, it costs you a lot of money, right? And it also costs you time. So instead of going asking every single Canadian, what you can do is ask some Canadians. And so those some Canadians, you take some Canadians, you ask some Canadians. You don't ask all the Canadians, you ask some Canadians. And so that is what a sample is. A sample is just some of the Canadians. So sample, in technical terms, the sample is just a portion of the population, okay? And so sample is just a portion of the population. And so think of it in a picture. So you think of it as a circle. This is a terrible circle. So this black circle, you can think of it as represented by population. And this red circle is represented by sample. I know they're not good circles, they're terrible circles, but just pretend they're circles, okay? But this is what I want to illustrate the idea of a sample versus population. A sample is just a portion of the population. Think of it as a sub-region of the population. I hope this video clears it up. If you're still confused on I hope you like this video. I hope you like this video. If you feel this, please share this video with others who might benefit from this. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please hit the notification bell so you're notified for more of my videos. And also, please hit the subscribe channel. It'll help me a lot. And yeah, and again, if you need help with math or statistics, please contact me. My email is in the description below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.